Today I am painting a beautiful cat in the ocean. Here I have already painted half of it. Here ocean is a rich blue. To make it pop, add some contrasting yellow shades. Now it's time to add some fishes. I'm using orange, mix it with a red to give a good variation. And next I'm working on the eye part, starting with the white part and then adding a black dot for the pupil. Now I'm adding some subtle color to it. Now it's time to add some scales to bring it a good ocean feel. Yes, here and there some scales. Black gives a good contrasting color to yellow. Just here we go. Now it's time to add cat's eyes. This is the most expressive part. I want it to look a little worried, like cats is unsure and bit scared because it's in the ocean. Now it is done almost. I love how the color contrast and blend together and it tells a little story. This is the final look. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section and let me know what to try next. Comment below.